Welcome back. Today it's me Beto G. I'm going to be making Bhutan trap beat today, so make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop new videos you will get notified. That's the beat I'm going to be making today. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be making Bhutan trap beat. So I'm going to pick my plug in. I'm going to pick my plugin now. So I'm going to click on add here, pick this plugin called FA keys, click on my channel rack, left click and hold it, turn the mouse wheels to channel 5. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Now I'll start programming my Bhutan trap beat now from the first two bar. After programming the first two bar, I'm going to copyright to bars number 8. I'm going to explain the mathematical theory on creating beats again today. As you can see, this is bar 1, bar 2, bar 3, bar 4, bar 5, bar 6, bar 7, and bar 8, which bar 1 is subdivided again into small particle of bars, which is 1 bar again in bar 1, number 2 bar again in bar 1, number 3 only in bar 1, number 4 in bar 1, number 5 in bar 1, number 6 in bar 1, number 7 in bar 1, and number 8 bars in bar 1. This is it here. You just need to align your beat accordingly. So we are going to be making the Bhutan trap beat, which my favorite tempo is 130 bpm. Let's start creating the Bhutan trap beat today. I'm explaining to details. Let's start. Let's go. After creating the first 4 bars, I'm going to click on this, select, left click and hold it, highlight to the left, and press Ctrl and B right up to bars number 8. Let's go. I'm going to use a plugin called Gross Beat to tweak my beat a little bit. Let's go. As you can see, this is a nice plugin called Gross Beat to tweak your beat. This is it. So I'll just tweak my beat. Today I'm going to details. I'm not like in a haste mode today, into details. another plugin I'm going to use is I'm going to click on slot 2 and add a fruity reverb 2. Then I'm going to turn the decay, increase the size. Let's play the beat and listen to the beat. Good. I'll click on slot 3 and add the fruity parametric EQ2. Now on channel rack here, I will click on add here and pick my bull bars. I'm going to put my cursor here on my channel rack. I'll put my cursor here on my channel rack, left click and hold it, turn my mouse wheels to channel 6. I will then right click and press piano roll. This is my bull bars, just a simple melody with my Bhutan beat like this. This is my bass melodies. I'm creating my bass melodies now. Now let's listen to the Bhutan beat now. Good. This is how it sounds. I will start creating my hi-hat now. On my hi-hat here, I will right click and click here piano roll. I'll first of all program my first 2 bars, then copy right to bars number 8. This is it. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to left click and hold it, highlight to left and press Ctrl and B. Right to bars number 8. Hear the way it sounds. The next step is I'm going to program my snare. So I'll put my cursor on my snare, right click and click here piano roll. I'll start at the starting of number 1 bar. I'll just put my snare here. At the ending of each bar, I'll just put my snare here, and this is how it sounds. I'll just put my snare here like this, and today I'm going to create a different bounce. After putting my beat, my snare on the starting of bar 1, at the ending of each bar, which is bar 2, at the ending of my bar 3, bar 4, bar 5, bar 6, bar 7, bar 8, I'm going to then create a different bounce by like adding a different snare like this. After I will play it and hear the way it sounds, before I will then go now to program my kick. Now let's play it and listen to the way it sounds. Good. That's it. It's a nice beat today. I'm going to details. Now let's go to our kick. I'm going to left click and hold it, drag it to channel 1 on my channel rack. This is my channel rack, which this empty space here is my playlist. On my kick, which is on channel 1, I'll put my cursor on top of my kick, right click and just click on piano roll. I'll just start programming my kick now inside the rows and columns like this. The rows and columns. Subdivided the rows and columns. As you can see, these are the rows and columns. Right up to from 1 to 2, 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 to 7 to 8 to 9. Ending at 9. So inside the rows, I'll start to program my beat. Let's go. First of all, you test the note how it sounds. You test the note how it sounds. Okay. I'll start to program my key like this, as you can see. Very nice. Follow my beat. That's it. Now let's go. Let's play it here. The next, after doing so, I'll click here on my kick. I'll click on my icon here, turn the boss knob right up. Now let's go. The next step is we are going to arrange a bit into our playlist, which this icon here is view playlist. I'll just click here where they have written pattern 1. I will just right click and click split by channel. As you can see, everything I've programmed has appeared on the top left corner on my FL Studio. Make sure you use these tools up here, the playlist option, the snap to grid, the draw, the paint, the saving track. This is the brush, the paint. Let's start again. The playlist option, the snap to grid, the draw, the paint, the delete, the mute, the slip, the slice, the select, the zoom, and the playback. So make sure you use this button. But when clicking like this and clicking back on your playlist like this, make sure you just come here with your cursor and click here on this draw icon. Click on your hi-hat, click back into your playlist, click on your snare, click into your snare,